हाय एवरीबडी, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. आई होप you guys are doing great. So without wasting much time, let us get started with our understanding of the market. So guys, if you want to learn something in the live market, then make sure that you join the link in the description and be a part of the Telegram community. Today as well, we shared a chart on Bank Nifty where we spoke about that why you should look only for long opportunity when this breakout was happening. Now, a lot of you also had a doubt that there was a CPR above it. So why go long? It is a strong resistance. So all of it I've explained in the audio notes over here as well. Also, we discussed about the torrent power trade. We were discussing it yesterday. We were talking about this double insider bar, and if you see, it has given a very strong momentum. Right. So if you really want to learn more, you should join the Telegram community for more. Now let's move forward for the best stocks to trade tomorrow. Now, interesting stocks today. Today I was able to find stocks very easily. It took me like 5 minutes to identify stocks. So guys, the first stock on my radar is Larsen and Turbo. If you see, this was a strong demand zone from where the market made a new high, and now the market is spending time exactly at the same area. Now, just have a look at the price action over here. We had a bearish candle at the support, and then the buyers were able to win the market and sustain above it. And for the last 3 days, the market is just sustaining above these levels. Now let's go to 15 minutes time frame and understand what we are looking forward to. If you see on a 15 minutes time frame, it's pretty much clear that above these levels, which is these levels, right, we can expect a strong momentum on Larsen and Turbo. So I'll just draw a simple resistance. So above these levels, which is 188, we can go long, and our stop loss will obviously be below this retracement, which is 1875. So we are getting a very small stop loss. That is a very good thing. The second stock on my radar is Escorts. Now if you see, Escorts is doing nothing but about to form a W pattern, right? You know how strong this structure is and how much we rely on this. Again, a very good structure. The only problem with the stock is that it's been very choppy over the last so much time. Any which ways, but the structure is good. What we are seeing immediately, the structure is very good. So now if I zoom out, you will be clearly able to see that we have a long opportunity above these levels, and we can see very strong momentum in Escort. So make sure that you keep this on your radar. It's going to be it is a high probable trade that we are expecting over here. Let's move on to another stock, which is Adani Port. So guys, this is the chart of Adani Port. अगर आप वापस देखोगे, ये स्टॉक ट्रेड कर रहा है अपने नियरेस्ट रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर. ये कहाँ ट्रेड कर रहा है? नियरेस्ट रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर. और यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सा हमें बेयरिश स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है. बट व्हाट आई बिलीव इज दैट these areas, right, which is a resistance or a support, these are high value areas, and this strong momentum probably tells me that we may see a continuation. Why do I say that? अगर हम 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम में जाएंगे, so you'll be able to observe that we are seeing a very good resistance being formed over here. So we want to go long above this level, which is obviously 735 or 736, and the stop loss is not clear yet. As of now, the stop loss looks at 725, but tomorrow, let's say that the market consolidates and then gives a breakout, correct, then we may have a smaller stop loss as well. So all of this actually, it depends on how the market opens and behaves, but this is my view on Adani Ports. We may see a good opportunity on the long side because we have seen an immediate strong uptrend. Let's move to the last stock, which is Emphasis. Again, a very interesting stock. So guys, as you can see in Emphasis, this resistance has been tested once, twice, thrice, 4 times. So we can expect a very strong breakout. And if you see, the range of consolidation has been very good. I mean, it's consolidating like, there has been no movement on it. So what we can do right now is we can mark our levels. So it's quite simple over here. We just need a horizontal line to mark our entry triggers. So we want to go long above these levels, and our stop loss is going to be this. So very simple understanding on Emphasis as well. So yes, these are the stocks that we are going to be tracking tomorrow, and I hope that you are able to make the best out of it. Now, one stock which I will be discussing right now that we discussed yesterday was Torrent Power. So you already know about it. It gave a decent move on the upside. So काफ़ी अच्छा movement था, though it reversed at the end. But if you see from our levels, this was our entry trigger 484. Gave a very good momentum of almost 2%, and yes, then it reversed, but you need to have your own exit strategy when it comes to trading the stocks. Do you go with a fixed RR, or do you trail your profits, or do you keep it open till day end? Now, one strategy that has worked out well for me in the longer run is to keep the trade open till day end. not something which I can suggest a beginner, but if you are somebody who wants to catch big profits, this is the best strategy to deploy. So going ahead, I will be making a video on how to book the profits, because that is the most important thing. Stop loss hit हो गया, ठीक है, काम खत्म. But when your trade is running in your direction, तब आपका पेशेंस लेवल सबसे ज़्यादा चेक होता है. ठीक है, अब हम बात करते हैं बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी की. तो बैंक निफ्टी आज हमने वापस काफ़ी अच्छा लाइव मार्केट में डिस्कशन किया. तो अगर आप अभी भी टेलीग्राम में हमारे साथ नहीं जुड़े हुए हो तो मेक श्योर दैट यू जॉइन इन. अब हम बात करते हैं बैंक निफ्टी की. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, बैंक निफ्टी ने क्या किया, यहाँ पे एक अच्छा सा बेस बना दिया. ठीक है, और ये देखो ये रेंज बहुत छोटी है. This is a small range. Can you see? It is consolidating in such a tight range. Talking about yesterday, right, in Nifty, when I said that you should not take a breakout trade in Nifty, all this was updated in live market, okay? Because this was a big range. आपको ये range दिख रही है, ये range बहुत बड़ी है. That too without any consolidation. So ये जो चीज़ें हैं, ये आपको धीरे धीरे मार्केट में समझना पड़ेगा. और वैसे आप देखोगे ना तो ये काफ़ी ईजी चीज़ है. आप इसको कॉम्प्लिकेट मत करिए. आपको अपनी आंखों से समझ में आ जाएगा कि अच्छा हाँ यार, ये तो कितना अच्छा कंसोलिडेशन हो रहा है. ब्रेकआउट दिया और फिर देखिए आप कितना अच्छा मोमेंटम दिया है. और ये चीज़ मैंने मार्केट में लाइव मार्केट में समझाई है स्टूडेंट्स को. सो इफ यू आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ टेलीग्राम, मेक श्योर दैट यू join the link in the description and be a part of it. So as we have been discussing guys, this was a small range in Bank Nifty, and as soon as it broke out, it gave a very strong momentum. Now all of it was discussed on Telegram. So yeah, make sure that you join the link in the description. Now I gave a homework to you in the Telegram group that find out why this reversal happened, right? So the reversal happened because it was forming a base at the day high. Right? It was a very good base formation if you see. A very good base formation. So if you're a breakout trader, if you want to trade options, this is a very good setup which you can obviously trade. And this was also the logic for the trade on the bottom side. So same concepts. The logic is simple: base formation, tight range, and yeah, this tight range concept works out very well in the longer run. So one thing that you should have understood by now is take breakouts from a smaller range and avoid breakouts from a bigger range. I hope all of this is pretty much clear. Now let's have a look at the plan for Bank Nifty for tomorrow, that is for Monday. तो इतना बैंक निफ्टी में मुझे इतना कन्विक्शन नहीं आ रहा है. बहुत ज़्यादा चॉपी लग रहा है चार्ट. बट अगर आप मुझे पूछोगे कि आपका व्यू क्या है, मेरा व्यू है डाउन ट्रेंड. इस लेवल के नीचे हमें शॉर्टिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढनी चाहिए, लेकिन इतना हाई कन्विक्शन नहीं है. लेकिन अगर निफ्टी में जाएंगे तो हमें कुछ बेहतरीन मिल सकता है इसमें. सो अगर आप देखोगे बहुत ही अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर है निफ्टी में. We have a very good structure in place. So this is it. From here we can expect good breakout on the upside as well as on the downside as well. So this is my understanding of the market. I hope this was very helpful and I'm able to add value to your time with each day. I'm coming up with a very interesting video. So make sure that you have clicked on the notification button so whenever I upload it, you are notified. So with that note, thank you so much guys.